some sunflower seeds? No!
You want your stinking sunflower seeds? Let's go. You were late.
I know. Badasses. It's not funny. They need something to do other than be walking up on my fucking ring thing, talking into it.
They are targeting them so they can have fun in front of them.
Dude, this shit to have fun with. They don't need to be in front of my door acting all stupid.
Are you alright over there?
I'm cool. Badasses.
So, little girl told whoever she was with that we have a ringer. I put the video on right after this. It's nothing too bad. She just says that she has some sunflower seeds.
Stick them up her ass.
Okay, baby.
You know, it's a mean lady. Are you recording me?
No.
I don't like that shit. Find something else better to do. Badasses. Shouldn't they be like, what, getting ready to go to bed for school tomorrow? Shit.
Probably so.
At Target, low prices and great deals mean more.
Stop recording me. Stop.
Alright, y'all. Just something that happens time to time. When you have that ring, people want to sing. People, I guess, want to give you sunflower seeds. People want to hop on each other's backs. Just a typical tip of the iceberg. When you got a camera on your porch. Bye. Deuce.
I have some sunflower seeds. No! You better not. I have some sunflower seeds and they were supposed to. Alright, come on.